Christopher here, working in HCL Technologies as a part of cybersecurity and aerospace defense. This is the first time course which I attended regarding this incident response. So earlier I've been attending the CISSP course and I thought the day would be a fully packed one. But the way the Amar took it right from 9:30 and the long day didn't feel it as a full day course. It was so relaxing, and on the point of the course, it's a really live session with more of case studies and cyber resilience and how do we respond to each and every incident and every attack process. So it was able to dissect each and everything on a timely manner, even though I had few background knowledge on how the incident works, but from a security standpoint, he was able to bring along a lot of knowledge to us. So it is a really course I would recommend to many of people who have been into the cybersecurity space. And I really thank Amar for this time and a full day session, which made this lively and more informative one. Thank you so much, everyone.